Hi, today I just want to introduce you to 772 Bathwick Drive. It's a great new listing in the Whetstone community in Brentwood, zoned Edmondson Elementary and Brentwood Middle, Brentwood High. Just wanted to point out a few of the features of this home that I think you might find interesting. First off, the front porch, spacious. It's currently got a nice space for a swing on the front porch, brick, low maintenance exterior with brick and hardy siding, professionally landscaped with landscape lighting as well, and the landscape wraps around all the way to the rear of the home and even accents the patio pavers and the installed fire pit. Great feature is that there's an outdoor garden with a fence to protect it from get crazy and eat up your vegetables. So awesome yard, you're going to love that. One thing that's really special is lot selection was premium with this house. It's on 0.58 acres, but it's situated where there's not a house to one side nor a house to the back, and even the house that's off to the left is quite a ways off, so it just feels like you're really not, you're more like on an acre than 0.6. So that's great. Inside, wide plank wood floors, fireplace. The kitchen is really open, got a large island that's great for hanging out, talking to friends. And the cabinets are white with glazing done on that. It's got a screened patio in the back. Really cool homework niche that just they had added in. And that's a great place for bill pay station, all that. That's tucked off from the kitchen. Massive laundry room that's full of cabinets and functional space. Masters on the main as well as a guest room. All the bedrooms are attached to a bath, so it's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, and all the baths have granite counters. Upstairs is a bonus room, wired for surround sound, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. So obviously 2 of the bedrooms are connected via a Jack and Jill bath, but a super sweet feature. The Jack and Jill bath has 2 separate rooms with the vanities and then connected by a laboratory shower room. So great home. We know you're going to want to learn more. Reach out to Gray Fox Realty at 615-656-8181. Schedule your showing today. We'd love to talk to you about this property at 772 Bathwick. Thanks.